This faceless YouTube channel makes more than $50,000 monthly with effortless videos like this. Crazy, isn't it? In this video, I'll share with you how you can do it too, using the help of ChatGPT and Canva. This way, you could kickstart your YouTube channel without showing your face and potentially make some serious cash. But before we jump into all the juicy details, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and stay till the end. I will help you stay ahead in the AI race, and trust me, you don't want to be left behind. First, we'll teach our AI pal, ChatGPT, how to whip up love quotes with a unique style. We wanted to create two-part quotes that keep people hooked and wanting to hear the end. Here's what I mean. If you truly love someone, you let them go, or maybe tie them up in your basement. It all depends on your point of view. But don't worry, we'll skip the basement part for this tutorial. Now, to make sure our AI buddy gets the task, we'll ask it to confirm that it understands. We're looking for quotes around topics like love, heartbreak, and friendship, and we need to tell it clearly. Let's test it out by asking it to give us an example. Great, ChatGPT gets it. Remember, if ChatGPT comes up with something cool, make sure you tell it. It's like training a puppy, it learns from feedback. So the videos we're going to make have 3 elements, a theme like girl or boy facts, the first part of the quote, and then the second part. So we will ask ChatGPT to make quotes with these 3 elements and sort them out in a spreadsheet-style format. This might seem odd, but trust me, it's super important, and you'll see why as we move along in the video. Okay guys, let's get some quotes. You know, the ones that tug at your heartstrings, the heartbreak quotes. They seem to resonate with people a lot, maybe because it's often easier to connect with the hurt of lost love than the happiness of a great relationship. Trust me, I've been single for a while, so I get it. Now let's put ChatGPT to the test and ask it to create 100 unique quotes. Now I'll speed up this part a bit, but here's the deal. ChatGPT can't whip out 100 quotes all at once, but after a little chat, it agreed to create 30 quotes at a time. Sure, it's a slower process, but we'll get to 300 eventually. Plus, it's better to be patient with our AI friend rather than rushing it and risk creating a hostile superintelligence that might take over the world someday. So remember, just ask it for 30 quotes, then another 30, and so on. Next up, simply copy and paste all these quotes into Excel. As you can see, I gathered more than 300 unique quotes, all thanks to ChatGPT. Alright, now let's make some stylish YouTube shorts with Canva. Head over to canva.com and click on Mobile Video. On the left, you'll find the design section filled with loads of templates. For our project, we're hunting for quote templates. The aim is to mimic the quote style of those YouTube shorts we've admired. So I'll pop the theme text like girl facts, boy facts, or friend facts right at the top. Then, the quote goes smack dab in the middle. And finally, at the bottom, we'll put the name of our YouTube channel where these shorts will be featured. Remember that the theme text should be slightly bigger, but don't worry if it goes off-center. Just click Position on the top toolbar and then hit Center to get it right back in place. Let's put a quote in to see how it looks. If it's tough to read, we can add a background to the quote from the Effects section on the top toolbar. While there are many colors to choose from, I personally like black. Also, the quote should be a bit larger for clarity. But remember, our quotes are always in 2 parts, just like the 2 faces of my ex. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and dive deeper into it. Here's the magic trick. We're going to split our quote into 2 blocks of text. The first part of the quote is displayed for 9 seconds, then a 1-second pause, and voila, we reveal the second part that lasts about 2 seconds. Why 2 seconds? It's quick, encouraging viewers to replay the video for a better grasp. That's a little trick for boosting your watch time and getting YouTube to share your video with more people. So right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This helps us adjust the duration of the text on the video. We aim for a 9-second display for the first part, followed by a 1-second pause, then kick in the second part at the 10-second mark, lasting around 1.5 seconds. Drag the video in to match the second part of the quote. Let's center that second part on the screen, and we're good. Let's have a look. Spot on. We have our video template ready. Now let's bring on the real magic, and I promise, no David Copperfield tricks. We will feed our quote database into Canva, enabling us to create hundreds of distinct videos with just a few clicks. Navigate to the apps in the left menu and search for Bulk Create. Choose Enter Data manually, then clear all the existing data. Copy your list of quotes from Excel. I'll use only 30 for now, and you'll learn why soon, and paste them into Canva. Alright, we've got our first 30 quotes in. Click Done, then we match the text elements to the correct video parts. Right-click on the video text, go to Connect Data, and select the appropriate data for each text part. The first data piece will be the theme, the next is the first part of the quote, and the last is the second part. Once all data parts are connected, position the second part back in the center of the video, and there you have it. We're all set. All our data has this little purple check mark on the left, showing that we're set to make the video. Just click Continue and then generate 30 pages. Just like that, we've got 30 YouTube shorts, each with different quotes. Now they all have the same background, which is a bummer. You can change this by going to the Elements section on the left menu and picking your preferred video background. Just hit the 3 dots on the video and select Replace the background, but I'll be honest, I'm not going to do this for all 300 videos, and they don't all need a different background. And this is why we didn't generate all 300 videos at once, but there's a way to do this easier. Here's how I'll go back a page and start at step 1 for Bulk Create. Once again, select Enter Data manually and clear the table. Then, go to your Excel sheet, copy the row names, and paste them into Canva. Back to Excel, copy the next 30 quotes, paste them into Canva, and click Done. We got the green light to move on, as you can see from the purple check marks. But before we start generating, let's switch up the background. Go back to Elements and pick a video background you like. Click the 3 dots and select Replace Background. Remember, the new video will be the same length as the one you chose for the background. So if you pick a 2-minute video, it will be a longer process. Then, you'll need to adjust the length when you change the background. Now, go back to Bulk Create and select Generate 30 pages. Another batch of 30 videos, here we come. Making these videos feels like painting, but with a mouse instead of a brush and a computer screen instead of a canvas. But instead of creating a work of art, we're just making a bunch of videos with fun quotes. Awesome! Now, let's head over to Share and click Download. Choose the video quality you want and select Download pages as separate files. And just like that, you're all done. All you have to do now is repeat these steps 8 more times to hit a whopping 300 fantastic YouTube shorts in only 30 minutes. I'd love to hear what you think I should do with all these shorts. Maybe I could post them daily for a month to see the response. If you have any cool ideas, please drop a comment below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, there's a lot more exciting stuff on the way. Until next time, see ya folks.